Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do something like this, but they're using the artistic media tool and think it's going to work. And it kind of does, but it does not space them out evenly, as you can see. So no matter, what kind of ellipse you do, if you go to the artistic media tool and click on that item and then raise it up or down, it doesn't, there's probably a way to figure this out with how long this is and how long the circle is. But if you want to do it spaced out evenly, this is what you should do. He just wants these kind of arrows, and and even the artistic media tool stretches them out, and that's because it's putting it around a circle that's longer than the artistic media tool. I mean, if we take that and double it, it would put 10, but it would not stretch them out. So to do something like that, I'm just going to draw an ellipse. It doesn't matter what size. I'm going to make it 24 points. I am going to go to Object, Convert Outline to an Object, and then I'm going to left click, right click. And basically I have an object with two lines. And then I'm going to go to my common shapes. And yours might say basic shapes. And I am going to draw an arrow. Now I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to hit P, and then I'm going to hit T, and that put it right on top. And you can see that our arrow is bigger than you want it, the thickness. So we're going to take the shape tool. You get this red arrow, and then you can make it thinner than you want. And then we're going to bring it up where it's kind of like right there in the middle. Then double click on it and get your rotation and put it in the center of the page. And we're there. Go to Windows, Dockers, Transform, or yours might say Transformation. I'm going to type in 360, and they want 5, so I'm going to divide it by 5, and Corel's going to do the math, which is 72. And I want 4 copies because I already have 1 copy. Then take the entire thing and weld it together, and now you have that. And I've been using blue like he was using. Now I'm a little bit thicker, and you can make your line thinner, but you have the arrow points, and they're evenly spaced. And you could do the same thing with, go, if you want 6, go, which would be 60, but let's go 7. So you type in 360 divided by 7, and we want 7, so we already got 1, so we'll make 6 copies. And now you have those things. And the good thing about it, you don't have to do anything to it. It's all ready to, well, I must have 2 copies there. Maybe I have to go and convert this one to a curve and select them all. And you know what? Maybe I didn't. Sometimes if you don't grab all of it, it doesn't do that. So now you have 7. 7 of them. And see the angle, Corel did the math for you, is 51.429. You don't have to do any, you don't have to get out a calculator. Corel will do it for you. And I'm pretty sure that's what he wants. We could do this with making it longer and figuring out the curve, but then you've got to figure out that this space plus this space has to equal that space. And there's a way around that too, but I think it's a lot easier just to do that right there. And then you could pick your line width and arrow shape and everything. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.